What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Fathead Cycles YouTube channel. If you're anything like me, you're kind of let down by the suspension setup on the new Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles. That's okay. These guys, Legend Suspension, have came to our rescue. What's in this box? It's a set of 12-inch black Legend Revo-A shocks, and it only takes a 3/4 inch socket and ratchet to install these. Let's get started. We have the bike up on a lift here, just for ease of shooting the video. You can very easily do this job at home in your driveway. We're going to do one side at a time since the bike is up on a lift. We're going to start with loosening the bottom shock mount bolt. It's a 3/4 inch socket. We're going to pull this out. We're going to throw the factory washer away. We're going to retain the factory bolt. And we're going to do the same with the top bolt. Get rid of the washer, keep the bolt. Legends gives us a bag of spacers. We need 2 thick ones and 2 thin ones. There's a circlip on the top eyelet that needs to be facing out. If your eyes aren't that good and you can't see the circlip, look for the silver sticker. Make sure that silver sticker is in towards the wheel. We're going to take our factory bolt. We're going to put the thin washer on it, insert it through the top eyelet, insert the thick washer on the back side of the shock, and then we're going to put blue Loctite on our bolt. Again, thin washer on the bolt, thick washer on the back side of the body, blue Loctite on the bolt. We're going to set these to the factory torque specs off camera. One of the nice things about the Legend shocks is it has heim joints top and bottom, so the shock will not bind in its suspension travel. We're going to go do the other side, then we're going to come back and set the sag. Shocks are in on both sides, bike's down on its own weight. Last thing to do is check the sag. Legend gives you great step-by-step instructions on how to install the shock, how to set the sag, and how to set the rebound adjustment. You're going to want to set the sag. You're going to measure from the center of the bottom bolt to the center of the top bolt, and it is 1 foot, 12 inches. That's how long the shock is. You're going to have a friend come hold your tape measure for you. You're going to sit on your motorcycle with it straight up and down, and they're going to measure the distance between this bolt and this bolt. And on the 12-inch shock, you want it to be 11.5 inches. If it is not 11.5 inches, you can tighten the spring on each side to reduce the sag, or you can loosen the spring on each side to increase the sag. Rebound adjustment knob right here comes set out of the box on number 3. Don't mess with it right now. Take your bike for a ride, see if you like how it feels. Then start making small adjustments to fine-tune your ride. All right, guys, so that's all it takes to improve the ride quality of your touring motorcycle. Legend Suspension, fantastic company, made in the USA, lifetime warranty on the products. I don't know what else I can say. If you like what you saw today, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Check us out on our socials, Facebook and Instagram. If you got video recommendations, leave them in the comments box below. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride. Stay safe.